Series 13 Tropical Thunder Spin Master Monster Jam. On the back of the box, here are the trucks. We have the Gravedigger in Retro Rebels, then Backwards Bob is in Retro Rebels, El Toro Loco in Reckless Trucks. We also have Heroes in Villains and Superman, and then Legacy Trucks, Thrasher is in it, and Racing Stripes is in Crazy Creatures. Boneyard Trucks, we have Zombie, and then the Ride Trucks, we have Megalodon, and Tropical Thunder is in Forces of Nature. So let's go ahead and unbox Tropical Thunder. We are going to take a look at the wristband first of all. That comes with Tropical Thunder. It is a yellow one, as you can see. It has MonsterJam.com on it, and it has the Monster Jam logo. Now, let's take a look at the poster that comes with Series 13, and it looks like it is going to be Backwards Bob. Yes, it is. A nice picture of the truck of Backwards Bob. Here comes Tropical Thunder into view. Look at this. We have blue beadlock rings. It's very nice. Take a look at that Tropical Thunder. The name of the truck, the Monster Jam logo on the back side of the panel of the truck. It has a very nice look to it on the body, the paint scheme and everything. And I believe this is a Chevy truck. Let's go ahead and turn it to the front so you can see what the front looks like. There we go, Tropical Thunder with like palm trees. Really cool looking design of Tropical Thunder. We turn it on to the other side just so you can see what it looks like. Other side of the vehicle. And on the back, the name of the truck is on the tailgate, Tropical Thunder. It does look like we get a little bit of a different color for the lights in the back, which is very cool. So here we go, you can kind of see the engine also. So this is Tropical Thunder in Mix 13. Tropical Thunder first came out on the monster truck, the real version, in 1990. So it's been around for a long time and gone through different owners. And I believe this is the first time it has ever came out in the Spin Master Monster Jam series. So thank you for tuning in.